In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a flip text reflection effect in Photoshop with a clean professional look. This is a super useful effect for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, and any design where you want your text to feel more polished and realistic. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create a new document, or open the project you want to work on. Then select the Type tool and type your text on the canvas. You can choose any font, size, and color you want, but for the best reflection effect, bold and clean fonts usually work really well. Once your text is in place, go to the Layers panel and duplicate the text layer. You can do that quickly by pressing Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. This duplicate layer will become your flipped reflection. Now select the duplicate text layer, then press Ctrl+ to activate Free Transform. If you're on a Mac, that's Command+T. Right-click inside the transform box and choose Flip Vertical. This turns the duplicate text upside down so it looks like a reflection. After that, drag the flip text down so it sits below the original text. Try to align it so the reflection feels natural, like it's coming from the same source. At this point, the effect is already starting to look good, but to make it more realistic, we need to fade it out. Select the flip text layer, then click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This gives you control over how the reflection disappears. Next, choose the Gradient tool. Make sure your foreground color is black and your background is transparent, or use a black to transparent gradient if it's already available. With the mask selected, click near the bottom of the flipped text and drag upward. This will create a smooth fade so the reflection gradually disappears as it moves away from the original text. If the fade is too strong or too weak, just undo it and try again with a different drag distance. A longer drag gives you a softer fade, while a shorter drag keeps more of the reflection visible. You can also adjust the opacity of the reflection layer if you want it to look even more subtle and realistic. And that's it. You've created a clean flip text reflection effect in Photoshop. It's fast, easy, and gives your text a much more professional finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photoshop guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.